Here's my potty chat. This is my video about my cat. Here is my pussycat. That is Violet. Okay, Violet. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. She loves me. Look at the camera. She doesn't know what to do. She's running away. The camera's on her.
See my birthday cake?
Ooh, birthday
Mum's
cake.
birthday cake.
This is very annoying. Yummy. Look how small it is. I'm having all of it.
No, it's very rich. You wouldn't want much.
I want all of it. Anyway, my mum's chubby. Don't eat all my cake.
Mum, I don't think it's
I don't even get
No?
my cake.
feels very.
It's only because it's been in the fridge. That's a very cold fridge.
I am having one. I am so
I'll cut it for you.
I'm old enough to cut things myself. Hi! I'm taking videos of myself.
Get a plate.
Okay.
Yeah, so we had to put that car in Mum's name, Carl.
Yeah, she told me.
Delicious.
So that's alright. If we ever need to change it over, we can.
Yeah.
Quickly, you put it there.
Wait until you've got your license.
Yeah.
Look how small that piece is.
It's a Vanna.
Ah. But it's a small cake.
Just imagine how it's
Ew.
going to come here.
I just picked up a
Everything's
coffee
done on it.
spoon.
We
Yep.
have the ties
I do not want
perfect.
coffee in my cake.
Hang the reg
I'm
over
too young
the
to have
table.
coffee.
No, okay.
Ooh.
No.
Oh, is it?
Can I have this piece?
No, that's mine.
You have.
My birthday cake.
Nan, it's your video. You have to look. This is my Nan.
Hi. I'm Marion Alice Parnell.
Okay.
And I'm sitting there.
I don't care.
Hey,
But no.
and if I hear that you act